Welcome to the DigitalWell client portal. This portal guide will show you how to log a new ticket and how to check the progress on existing tickets. Start by logging in using the username and password you set up after receiving the initial setup email. When you log in, you will see the main dashboard with ticket details that are associated with you and your company, such as number of open tickets and tickets created by you. On the right, you will also see a list of open tickets, which we will come back to. We will start by creating a new ticket. Click on New Ticket located on the left of the screen, which will open up a new window for you. On the drop-down menu under Request Type, click Report Incident or Problem, or for a general query or a sales request, click Request for Information. Give the ticket a title that outlines the nature of your issue or query, followed by giving all details possible in the description box below. The contact details are automatically populated on your behalf by Autotask by pulling in information from your account. The request urgency field will be set for you, which we don't recommend you alter unless it is a critical priority 1 issue. If you are experiencing a P1 issue that is company-wide, it can be logged here, and we advise you contact with the support on 01 254 1800. The background questions on the right of the screen are an optional feature, but if you do have a preferred method of contact, you can note it here. If you would like to attach an image to the ticket, such as a screenshot of an error you're experiencing, click Save and Attach File. If not, go ahead and click Save and the ticket will then be logged with us. On the right of the screen, you will be able to see the status of the ticket, if it's waiting your response, in progress, or scheduled. You can click on the ticket number and a window will appear with all of the information you have been given regarding that ticket. In this window, you can see notes added onto the ticket by a member of the DigitalWell team. To add a note or respond, you can add this here by clicking Submit. It will notify the DigitalWell engineer that's working on your ticket. On the dashboard, you can see a bar chart that has a breakdown of tickets created by you each month. To see them in detail, you can click on the blue bar. This will bring up the tickets for that month, which you can review by clicking on the ticket number. To go back to the main menu, click the Home icon situated on the bar at the top of the page. Also on that bar, there is an icon called Reports. Click on Ticket Report on the drop-down and a separate window will appear. This feature will allow you to generate ticket reports, which can be customized by date range or by different sets of data you would like to be included or excluded, and then click Generate. Also on the Reports tab, you can access invoices. Here you can find any invoice that is associated with your company. You can filter by date range, or if you have an invoice number, you can search for it here, and then click Generate. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can contact a member of the service desk on support@digitalwell.com or on 01 254 1800.